YouTube, we got video. I tried to make the first video. I'm just gonna take the phone and set it like this, and then we're gonna take the drift car. We're gonna set it, or not the drift car, the FPV car, and I'm gonna try and look with you guys and drive. Oh. Oh, this is sweet. Oh, there's a corner. Man, I'm all over the wall. Dang it. Dang it. I can see this becoming a sport, especially once I be quiet and I actually concentrate. Bam, watch out for that ass turn. Oh, there's a wall there, Twan. Alright, get off the gas. Yeah. But this is my car, FPV, doing a couple laps. I'm gonna stand up from the screen. Go real fast around. Marcus said go. I gotta charge this little car too. Let's go the other way. Okay, we're going that way. Okay. Oh, wow. I cannot drive. There we go. The tires are so sticky, we just did a donut. Alright, you guys. Like, share, subscribe. And as always, peace and love, God bless. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is just me up at Excel Hobbies, hanging out, testing out their mini Z-Track. And this is my team associated buggy, 28 buggy, FPV. And I'll see you guys in the next video.